Let me show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on Motorola Signature. So first of all, in order to go to the recovery mode, we need to restart our phone. So I'm going to use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And then you want to tap on restart. Once this restarting text disappears, press and hold volume down. There we go. So now we're going to press and hold volume down, and you want to keep holding this button until you enter the fast boot mode. So just keep holding, there we go. Once you enter the fast boot mode, you can use the volume buttons in order to navigate in this menu, and you are looking for the recovery mode. Once you have the recovery mode written in here, you can just press power button in order to confirm. Now we're going to wait. The phone will reboot, and soon we should be in the recovery mode. Now, most likely you will also see this Android logo with no command. In order to solve this and continue, you want to press and hold power button, and then once you hold power button, press volume up. So something like this. There we go. And now, as you can see, we are in the Android recovery. Just like in the fast boot mode, here we navigate with volume buttons and we confirm our choice by using the power button. So if you want to now exit the recovery mode, you want to select the reboot system now option. So make sure that it is selected and use the power button. There we go. Now our phone will reboot once again, but this time it should go back to the normal mode. Leave a like and subscribe.